Hello guys! Today we're gonna see on how to get Office for free. Let us say you do not have Office or you want to work in PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, or OneNote, or Teams, or Sway, or Access. Do you have to pay for this? Yes. All Microsoft users will have to pay to get Office. But is there a way you could get Office for free? Then watch this video. Okay, let's say you're going to use basic PowerPoint Excel Word. You could buy the Office 2021, that's the home and student version. That is a one-time purchase of 10,000 rupees. But you could get the Microsoft 365 or Office 365 version. To get a free version of that, jump in with me and let's see about that. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to open a web browser. I'm going to open a web browser and type office.com. So I'm going to web browser office.com. One second, office. So let me type office, give me a space. We will just say office.com. So I've got this office.com website. Now, don't get into sign-in page, get into this website. It's just, if you type it, you'll get it. The office.com website. Now, I'm going to say okay, I'll just say sign in and to sign into my account. You have to create an Outlook account. An Outlook account creating is really free, really easy. It's free as well, so you can create an easy Outlook account with that. Okay, now let's see. Now all the Office tools have come up for free. If you see, this is if you create this is you can make a Word document, a PowerPoint, Excel spreadsheet, forms, Sway, create a Sway page. You could do Microsoft Teams, you could do OneDrive, Outlook, To-Do, you could do. So you could do many things in all apps. So these are all the apps. So Teams, PowerPoint for free. Everything is for free, right? So I will show you. Let's open maybe just a little Word document. Here's Word. So I've got Word and I say it'll ask me to verify my identity before and getting more into this. So I'm going to put in my password and I'm going to say sign in and it will open a new document. And everything will be the same except few features won't be there. So if you see the references tab, the layout tab, the insert tab, so everything is there. Welcome to Word and Web. So you get this share document and commands. So this is the version without the Microsoft 365. Okay, let's go back to the home tab. Let's go back to home. Just click on Office. Yeah. So now this buttons, I don't think you can put it because if you want to install the web app, like how I have it here. So if I go and let's say PowerPoint, I've installed the app. Or Word, I've installed the app. Or Excel, I've installed the app. Or Access, the app has been installed, right? But if you want to do that, if I say install Office, I will have to purchase or buy Office also is basically the same thing. So if you see, you can see that one is 4,900 per year. If you want 6 people, it's 6,200 per year. So that's the one way of doing this. Now I'm going to show you the second way. This second way is only applicable to the Windows 10 users. Windows 7 and 8 users won't have this option. But if you don't have the option, or if you're a 7 or 8 user, you can use this web way of using Word. Sorry, not Word. Using Office. But if you're a Windows 10 user, you could try the second way as well. So now let me close this tab and I'm going to search Office. So you would have had this thing already installed. You have already installed. Click open. So this is the Office opening. So it's the same thing. Installed by Office. It's basically exactly the same thing. Uh, but it's an app on your laptop. But if you want each app to be separate, like PowerPoint, Excel, and those have much more features than normal one. So see, if you open uh, Word here, and if you realize there are very less options, but it's good enough, right? You have this editing tool, designer tool, but in Word, if you open the app, if you open this app document, you have so much more icons to see. You have so much more icons to see, right? So that is why, see, you have so much more icons to see. That is why it is a good thing if you have, if you want to use just the basic one, you could use the web app, or if you're a Windows 10 user, you could use the other version, that's the downloaded version. Or if you want a good amount and you're using just basic, you could get the home and student version, that's the one-time purchase. Or if you want Microsoft 365, absolutely, you could go for it, right? And today I showed you two ways on how to get Microsoft Office for free. So if this video helped you get PowerPoint, Excel, Word for free, if you didn't want to pay for it, it's too much for you, then give it a thumbs up. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel. You will surely get. Also comment on which kind of content you want. That would help in a lot in making content. With this, see you next time.